Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix other user roles cannot access WordPress dashboard unless administrator in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So only admin can access WordPress dashboard. Other user role like subscriber, contributor, editor, author, any custom role cannot access WordPress dashboard. So we are going to fix it. So mostly this issue occur due to plugin conflict. So you can deactivate all plugin and then activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this issue. So this is a contributor role. Now you see we access front end, but we don't access WordPress dashboard. Now you see message. So we are going to fix it, but admin can access WordPress dashboard easily. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. So you can activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused that issue. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on it. So we are in plugin section. In our scenario, this plugin, Ultimate Member plugin, caused that issue. So we are going to deactivate it. Now plugin is deactivated. Other method is you can increase PHP memory limit. You can regenerate or recreate permalink .htaccess file. Now go to website again to check. Now refresh the page. Again open dashboard from here also to check. Now open. Now you see dashboard is working. We deactivate specific plugin and our issue is fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.